Several persons fear may have died Sunday morning at Emene, Enugu, following the violent crash between security agents and members of the indigenous people of Biafra. The crash threw the whole Emene community into chaos and disrupted church service as worshippers of the various churches in the area ran helter-skelter to escape being caught in the crisis. An eyewitness account said the trouble started about 7 a.m. when some police officers invaded the community secondary school MNA where members of IPOP were meeting to disrupt and arrest them. According to the account, the attempt was resisted and turned into encounter bloody with IPOP members reportedly overpowering the security operative. In swift reaction, a large reinforcement were called and over a dozen parole vehicle landed with armed security agencies compromising police, army, and DSS arrived the scene and faced the Biafran agitators. Sound of gunshot and tear gas filled the air, particularly between the St. Patrick's Secondary School and St. Joseph Catholic Church along the old Abakaliki Road. On account lamented that the premises of St. Patrick's Secondary School was flowing with blood and fleeing IPOP members were.
Hi guys, welcome back to Maureen TV show. Yeah, our topic today is to talk about what happened on Enugu on 23rd of August when indigenous of Biafra, IP, OB have having their meeting and so-called Nigeria attacked them where they are having their meeting, where they are praying to Chukwokika Abiyama, and Nigeria send their army, the DSS, to attack them and kill 27 people and arrested 47 people. What is going on in Nigeria? What is going on in Nigeria? When person say, I declare freedom, I want to just stay on my own, is it a bad thing? It's not a crime for person to decide I just wanted to be on my own. I need freedom of my own. Biafra exists before Nigeria. I don't know what we are arguing here. Look at what happened earlier this year. Eliza decided that he don't want to join EU. When Elizabeth is out of EU now, and he declared freedom, nobody attack London, nobody attack Eliza. Why Nigeria attacking Biafra? The reason is why Nigeria, so-called Nigeria, is attacking Biafra because they demand for freedom. Why all this killing? Why all this killing? Because this thing is getting too much. Why all this killing? Why are Nigeria killing innocent souls just like that, wasting people lives just like that? Everyday killing, everyday killing. Now, when indigenous of Biafra, we decided now to have ammunition to defend themselves now, I think there is the time when the whole world will now say something about it. Nobody wants to say anything now where all this killing are happening in Nigeria. Nobody say anything. Nobody wants to say anything until when the Biafra will raise on their own ammunition now to fight back. I don't know why, the reason why. We say that no more one Nigeria. When you say no more one Nigeria, it's very clear that we don't want. We want to stay on our own. Most person order you to stay where you don't want to stay. Let me say now, I'm in this Europe now, and person came to order me, say, don't move from this Italy, you must become an entire citizen. Is it compulsory? It's not compulsory. Everything is all about decision. Nigeria, why are you forcing Biafra to stay and call themselves one Nigeria when they decided to go? It is very clear that we don't want Nigeria. We want to stay on our own, and it's not a crime. I didn't see any this thing we are fighting for and just wasting innocent people just like that. This is getting out of hand. We need to do something. You watch the video so that you see exactly what I'm saying. Sharing blood everywhere, sharing blood every day. Are we not one? We are one, and we decided to go. This killing is getting out of hand. Biafra did nothing. They only need a referendum. They only need freedom. They only need to stay on their own. They are declared no more Nigeria. They want to become an Biafra. They want to stay in their own land. It's not an abomination. Let's just tell ourselves truth and stop this fighting and stop sharing bloods. Stop wasting ourselves. Stop wasting innocent souls. You will watch the video and see exactly what I'm talking about. Please don't forget to subscribe for my channel and click the notification bell for more upload. Thank you.